Hey guys, Tatiana's back. Whoop whoop whoop, Soul City, out of Boston. So I did my little test video. Everything worked out well. It worked. Everything was cool. And I'm super excited to keep embarking on this journey of mine. So again, the name of the business is Soul City, and we'll be having a food truck and a restaurant. In the meantime, in between time, tomorrow's secret ingredient that I'm going to be using, I'm going to do my first video cooking. I'm going to do a kids tray. The kids trays usually consist of like fun stuff, cookies, chips, that I stack up on like bamboo sticks or toothpicks, and I'll introduce that. Tomorrow I'm going to use this. And so I have some English muffins. So what I'm going to introduce for tomorrow's video is going to be a kid's pizza. So dough is a little costly, takes a little bit more time, and for a kid's pizza, the size of the palm of my hand, because my hand is pretty big. The palm of my hand, English muffin pretty much fit. We're gonna do kids pizzas tomorrow on a kids tray, and it should be grand. Stay tuned. Let's do it. Lock in Soul City.